outside?
I'm about to kill the game.
Oh, you live way.
Somebody call Super Hot Fire.
Hey.
Come on, sir.
Yo, John, what we doing?
Wait, sir.
We're about to have a roast session, bro.
Oh yeah. Fake tattoos, looking like the damn. You got dry erase. You got freaking Sharpies.
Oh, this man really on it.
Those are some $5 jail tattoos that you got going on. I mean, hell, that's the same kind of red line that Obama made with Syria.
Come on, Colin, face him, bro. Come on, you got this.
Let's make it clear. I'm gonna draw a tattoo on
Colin, you
my
got this.
forearm and my finger of some little.
And I'm never gonna get a job in the public.
Oh man.
Oh well,
Y'all really want me to roast my
Oh
family?
wait, unless
No.
it's flipping burgers.
Oh, I'm flipping burgers, but my name is Chris Elliott. Oh, I can't flip burgers because I don't do chores at the house.
Because what?
Because I talked to your mom today, and she said that you're a lazy ass. Which is why
My life, I didn't.
I'm coming after everybody's life, dude.
Yeah, you really want to come for my boys?
I'm not coming after your boys. I'm coming after your girls. Okay.
Yo, first you need to back
Honey,
your
can you watch-
goofy ass up real quick. Let's make it clear. I'm Obama, you're Trump. Get the hell out of my house. Let's make it clear.
If I'm Trump,
Hold up.
if I'm Trump and you're Obama, you're a fake president. And I'm putting up this wall because you ain't got shit. You're deported.
Hold on.
You're fired.
Are you really charging $80 an hour? Because I'm going to go build that wall if that's the case.
Hold up. Guys, I'm gonna be real. I'm gonna make it clear. The hair you'll never have. He got one. He got one. Where's it at though? He got a ring. They got a ring. You ain't got one, bro.
I got this home team.
Hey,
No,
wait.
Okay,
hold up. I'm gonna make it clear. At least I didn't lose my fucking virginity at like 19. But let's make it clear. He got one.
And you got what?
I got some.
You got some? How?
Guy.
Oh, your boy is saying.
Oh, really?
Your boy is saying.
Hey, why don't you show him the picture of Chinny? Don't bring this back. John's dad, are you here to be found?
Neither did I.
No. Don't start, sir. Don't start.
Damn it, now I'm like
Don't
GMC.
be like Obama. Let's make it clear.
Wait, you tried.
Don't
even start.
Let's make it clear. Don't be like Obama, like he lied on protecting the country, and you're lying on your dick. You're not protecting anything. He didn't protect anything for 8 years, and you didn't even hit shit.
You wanna know
What
the
have
one
you
thing
hit?
need to hit? Like a powder and makeup.
The
and
only
put on
thing
your
he
clothes.
hit is Chris.
And you hit that pretty good.
Oh, so we come from this now.
Did he come when you hit him? When you hit him, did he come?
No, I don't mess with Chan that side.
I hope not.
I don't mess with Chan that side.
She was crazy.
But he does.
No, I don't.
Oh yeah, I heard about that, bro. Candy was telling me on the bus.
Let's go for Chris.
Who, Candy, my sister?
Yeah,
She was telling me how he was fucking
Chris,
trans.
I ain't trying to hurt your feelings.
I told you what.
Hey, hold up. I ain't trying to hurt your feelings, but why did your last girlfriend have a bulge on her face? I was
What?
really
A bulge?
He was like this big ass curve.
This bitch had a dick.
Hey yo, hold up, it's like this.
Bro, your last girl.
John, baby John. Oh yeah, where we at?
The mall, bro.
We at the mall. What's up, Ken? Ooh. Yo, John, what's good?
You already know what's
Put it on the snap, baby. Oh yeah, this some big boy shit right here, baby. We making that bread.
I know, bro.
Oh yeah, pull that shit out. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, what's
Call it the
good?
five, baby.
Call him with the flies.
Who getting shit?
No, I'm just kidding.
They're gonna boot fives.
I mean, carrying the bag.
Prize, but I knew my dreams coming true. Nothing stayed down till I came up with my niggas. Right or wrong, fair or right, you know what's up with me, nigga. Never change on my gang, yeah, I'm stuck with my niggas. When I'm touchable, come run the money up with me, nigga. Yeah. Nothing stayed down till I came up with my niggas. Right or wrong, fair or right, you know what's up.